Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how we classify numbers. To do this, I'm going to be using a Venn diagram type of approach. So starting off, we are going to be looking at a group of numbers that are called the natural numbers. Natural numbers include all of your counting numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now, if you notice, natural numbers do not include 0, and all of the numbers are positive because we don't count using 0, and we don't count using negative numbers. Next, we're going to be looking at a group that we call whole numbers. Whole numbers are very similar to natural numbers. The only difference here is now we are going to be including the number 0. So whole numbers will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Our next category is going to be called integers. Integers, again we're expanding a little bit, are going to be similar to whole numbers, except now we're going to be including negative numbers as well. So going from negative infinity, really, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, and 1 are all examples. Next, we have our rational numbers. Now, if you've noticed, so far we haven't seen any fractions or any decimals. Rational numbers start including those as well. So rational numbers are literally any number that can be represented as a fraction. So 1/2 is considered a rational number. 1 is considered a rational number because if you think about it, any whole number or any integer can be written as a fraction if we just put it over 1. So negative 3 over 1, 2 over 1, 100 over 1. These are all fractions. Additionally, we also include decimals that have a clear ending. So for example, if we look at 0.5, we know that this is going to be equal to 1/2. It's equal to a specific fractional value. Similarly, if we look at 0.3 continuous forever, this is representative of the fraction 1/3. So these are all examples of rational numbers. Now we have a separate group that we call irrational numbers. And irrational numbers are the decimals that don't equal a fractional value. So some examples of irrational numbers include pi. Pi starts off as 3.1415 and it keeps going on forever, and it doesn't equal a fractional value. Yes, we do have the value 22/7 to represent pi, but this is just an approximation. Similarly, the letter E is also an example of an irrational number. And this is how we classify our numbers based on their numerical properties. For more personalized tutoring and to practice online using our online assessments, make sure to check out Prepaze.com. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if there are any specific topics that you would like me to cover, make sure to leave that in the comment section as well. I'll see you all in my next video.